I built a tool that lets Claude backtest trading strategies inside Metatrader 5 completely on its own. I describe a strategy in plain English, Claude writes the code, compiles it, runs the backtest, and I watch the equity curve draw itself in real time while I do nothing. 8 years of data tested in under a minute. Stay in this video and I'll show you exactly how it works and how it's set up. A few weeks ago, I showed you how to do this with Ninjatrader. That video did numbers, and the most common comment by far was, do it for Metatrader. So here it is. This is MT5 Bridge, a tool I built that lets Claude drive Metatrader 5's strategy tester directly. Claude writes your strategy, compiles it, sets every parameter, symbol, time frame, dates, balance, leverage, modeling, clicks, start, and reads the results back. One instruction, one full backtest. And the thing that makes it different from every other automation in this space is that it doesn't fight Metatrader, it works from inside it. Metatrader stays open, stays usable, and never gets its windows hijacked or stolen. You literally watch the backtest run on your screen. Everything runs locally, nothing ever leaves your machine. Don't forget to subscribe and let's see how it works right now. Here's the single strategy flow. I tell Claude, code a trend breakout for gold on the 1-hour chart. Go long when price closes above the highest high of the last 20 bars, and only when price is above the 200 EMA. Stop loss at 1.5 ATR. Take profit at 2 times the risk. Backtest it from January 2018 to today. Use realistic spread and commission, and give me the results in the chat and as a PDF with the equity curve and relevant metrics. Claude writes the full MQL5 file. That's Metatrader's coding language, and compiles it headless, straight from the command line. And if there's an error, it reads the compile log, fixes it, and recompiles on its own. Then it fires the backtest with a single call. It sets the expert, the symbol, the time frame, the date range, the starting balance, the leverage, and the modeling mode, and clicks start. And here's the part I love. Metatrader doesn't disappear into the background. It stays right there on screen, and Claude flips it to the graph tab automatically, so I watch the equity curve draw itself in real time while the backtest runs. 8 years of gold data, done. When it finishes, Claude pulls the results back into the chat. Net profit, profit factor, expected payoff, the maximal drawdown, the Sharpe ratio, recovery factor, total trades and win rate as a clean table, and then it builds the PDF with the strategy explained, the metrics laid out, and the equity curve plotted. This is structured data Claude can compare across runs and reason about, not a screenshot I have to read off a tab. This is way faster than coding the EA, fixing the bugs one by one, setting the correct parameters, and then manually collecting all the results in a PDF or Excel. That run was on the fast model, 1-minute bars, which is perfect for screening a lot of ideas quickly. When a strategy survives and I want the most realistic test I can get, I just tell Claude to rerun it on every tick, using tick data from the broker. Slower, but about as close to live execution as retail testing gets. I can teach it to automatically do the second backtest in tick data, only if the first test was profitable, for example. This saves me a lot of time. I can also rerun this on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame and compare all 3 time frames. And it runs the full cycle on each and lays them side by side. Here we can see Claude doing the changes to the strategies and handing me the results so I can decide which one is better. I can also tell it to add a filter to only take the breakout if the daily range is expanding. So we skip the dead and Claude rewrites that piece of the strategy, recompiles, reruns, and gives me the before and after. Every variation cost me 0 effort. The old way, one variation was an hour of work. Code it, compile it, fix it, run it, screenshot it, type the numbers into a spreadsheet by hand. Now I run 20 variations before lunch, and everyone comes back as real data I can audit. Here's where it turns into a factory. I've got a PDF with 10 strategy ideas, mean reversion on EUR/USD, a trend system on gold, a breakout on the German index, a carry-style play on the yen, 10 different concepts, different instruments, different logic. I tell Claude to go through every strategy in this PDF, code each one in MQL5, run the full backtest on each, and give me one report with a section per strategy, a metrics table, the equity curve, and a 1-paragraph verdict on whether it's worth developing. Then I walk away. I come back to a finished report, 10 strategies, tested on the same engine that funds prop accounts, organized and ready to filter. Before this, 10 strategies was days or even weeks of work. Now it's an afternoon. Your job isn't running backtest anymore. Your job is feeding Claude ideas and filtering the results, and the pipeline does everything in between. Quick pause, and this one's actually relevant because this exact tool lives inside my VIP community. We also have this tool, but for Ninjatrader 8. You also get a course to level up your strategy development skills, and a community along with my prop firm simulator, so you can test a strategy under the exact rules of your challenge, daily drawdown and all, before you spend a cent on fees. You also get a portfolio builder, more than 20 fully coded strategies, and a room full of traders building the same way you are. Links in the description. Back to it. Let me show you the whole setup start to finish so you can see exactly what you're getting. Two heads up first. This is Windows only. It talks to Metatrader at a level that doesn't exist on Mac. So if you're on a Mac, you'll need a Windows VM, and the files live in the VIP community. You need 5 things: Windows 10 or 11, Metatrader 5 on any broker with a demo account being fine, the .NET 8 SDK, Python 3.10 or higher, and Claude Code with the MT5 bridge files. First, install the basics. Install Python and check Add Python to Path before you click Install. Then run a quick pip install for FastMCP and Metatrader 5, and install the .NET 8 SDK from Microsoft, which is what builds the connector. Second, get your terminal ID. In Metatrader, go to File, Open Data Folder, and the folder it opens ends in a long string of letters and numbers. That's Metatrader's unique address on your machine, so the tool knows which install to talk to. Copy it and lock it in with one command. Third, build and deploy with a single command that compiles the connector, drops every piece into Metatrader's folders, and sets up the bridge for you. It'll close Metatrader to do it, and that's completely normal. Fourth, turn the bridge on. Reopen Metatrader, drag the bridge EA onto any chart, tick Allow DLL imports, and click OK. That little expert advisor is the bridge, and once it's on a chart, Metatrader is listening for Claude, while Allow DLL imports is what gives it permission. Run the version check, and if you get a number back, you're good. And fifth, connect Claude Code. Open your Claude config file, add the bridge as an MCP server pointed at the server file with your terminal ID pasted in, restart Claude Code, and the Metatrader tools appear automatically. That's it. Point Claude at it, describe a strategy, and you're driving Metatrader with plain English. If the version check returns nothing, the EA isn't on a chart or you didn't tick Allow DLL imports. So redrag bridge EA and check the box. If the tools don't show up in Claude Code, check the path in your config file and restart Claude Code. And if the build command fails, you're almost certainly missing the .NET 8 SDK, so install it and run the command again. In general, feed Claude Code the GitHub content, and he will be able to troubleshoot for you. So why Metatrader when I already gave you Ninjatrader? 2 reasons. The first one is the big one. This is the platform you actually get funded on. Most prop firms, FTMO included, run your evaluation on Metatrader, so when you backtest here, you're testing on the exact engine that decides whether you pass your challenge, not an approximation of it. The second is control over realism. Metatrader 5 lets you dial the modeling all the way up to every real tick, with the real spread and your real commission baked in. And if you trade Forex or metals where your edge might be a handful of pips, that level of realism is the difference between a backtest you can trust and a fantasy. This is the tool I personally use to validate a strategy before a single dollar goes near it. TradingView is your fast first filter. Metatrader is where an idea goes to be tested for real. 2 honest things. No backtester is reality. Metatrader on every tick is about as close as retail testing gets, but past performance in any backtester is never a guarantee of live results. And the output is only as good as the input. Vague strategy descriptions produce vague code, so be specific about your entry, your stop placement, your position sizing, and your exit. The sharper your description, the more useful the result. One person with this setup runs the research volume of a whole team. The tool, the prop firm simulator, the portfolio builder, and the strategies are all in the VIP community. Links in the description. Comment portfolio, and the next video will be me building a full portfolio of uncorrelated systems from start to finish with this exact pipeline. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.